Today, we have an exciting announcement for all the Bard users out there. We've been listening to your feedback and we're thrilled to introduce a highly requested feature, the dark theme in Bard. Open Bard and take a look at the bottom of the left sidebar. You'll notice a new button called Use Dark Theme. This is your gateway to the darker side of Bard. Simply click on this button, and voila! Your Bard interface will instantly transform into a beautiful dark theme, perfect for late-night writing sessions or for those who prefer a more subdued visual experience. Just click on the Use Light Theme button once again, and Bard will seamlessly switch back to the original light theme. It's all about giving you the freedom to personalize your writing experience to suit your preferences. So whether you're a developer who loves coding at night, a writer who enjoys a more refined aesthetic, or simply someone who prefers a dark-themed interface, Bard's new dark theme has got you covered.